Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a navigation menu on Shopify. Having a well-organized menu is crucial for helping your customers find what they're looking for quickly, whether that's product categories, store policies, or important pages on your site. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify admin dashboard, where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with various options. Click on Content, and just underneath it, you'll see another option labeled Menus. Go ahead and click on Menus. This section is where all your store's navigation settings live, giving you full control over how customers move through your site. Next, you'll see a list of available menus. Click on Main Menu. This is typically the primary navigation bar that appears at the top of your storefront, so it's the most important one to get right. Now you're in the editing interface for your main menu. At the top, you'll notice the name of the menu. You can change this name if needed to better organize your backend settings. Additionally, you can click the pencil icon next to Handle to modify it. The handle is the unique identifier Shopify uses internally, so adjusting it can help if you're managing multiple menus or working with custom themes. From here, look at your existing menu items. You'll see a pencil icon next to each one, which allows you to edit the label or the link it points to. If there are any items you no longer need, simply click the trash can icon next to them to delete them. This keeps your menu clean and relevant. To add new items, click on Add Menu Item. A dialog box will appear where you can input a label, such as Policies or Shop All, then insert the link that this menu item should direct to. This could be a product collection, a page on your site, or even an external URL. Once you've filled in the details, click the check icon to confirm and add it to your menu. One of the most useful features here is the ability to rearrange your menu items. Simply click and drag any menu item to reorder them. This lets you prioritize the most important links and create a logical flow for your customers as they navigate your store. Once you're satisfied with your menu structure and all the items are in place, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. This will apply all your changes to your live storefront, and that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your navigation menu on Shopify, making it easier for customers to explore your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.